Good morning all. Kirchhoff current law, or we also call it as junction law, right? Junction means that particular point at which three or more conducting wires meet. Three or more conducting wires meet. Okay, now we know that current drawn from battery will be equal to the sum of currents through the resistor. If in a circuit, if we take a resistors, then current drawn through the battery will be equal to the sum of currents through the resistor. Okay, now here I am taking a junction. Okay, now let this be some currents flowing towards the junction, away from the junction, right? Now here let I1 flowing towards the junction, I2 is also flowing towards the junction, I3 is the current flowing away from the junction, I4 towards the junction, I5 and I6 currents, they are flowing away from the junction. Let I7 flowing towards the junction and I8 in such a way. Some currents such as I1 currents, I1, I2, next I4, I7, these are currents flowing towards the junction, flowing towards the junction. Next I2, I3, I5, I6, I8 are currents flowing away from junction. So now Kirchhoff current law says that the Kirchhoff current law, it states that algebraic sum of currents flowing towards junction is equal to currents flowing away from the junction, away from junction, that is I1 plus I2 plus I4 plus I7 is equal to I3 plus I5 plus I6 plus I8. Or we can also say that algebraic sum of currents, algebraic sum of currents flowing towards junction and exiting from junction is equal to 0, is equal to 0, that is summation I equal to 0. This we call it as current law. So this is about Kirchhoff's current law.